A toned body starts at the gym, from burning belly fat to toning your thighs. So whatever you do at the gym forms your body and completes your journey to a beautiful and healthy body. So, you should be cautious about not falling into these 6 exercise mistakes we've mentioned in today's video of Pars Health TV. Number 6. Kettlebell swing. Kettlebell exercises have become popular even outside of the CrossFit crowd. Kettlebell swings are a favorite exercise among fitness professionals. A full body workout uses your glutes, core, hamstrings, glutes, and upper body to create explosive movements. It's a wonderful way to get in some cardio while strengthening your posterior chain, back of your body. I love the 2-arm kettlebell swing because it's an exercise that builds total body strength and improves your cardiovascular system. Before doing a kettlebell swing, or any other kettlebell exercise, a kettlebell training expert should teach you the proper way. Kettlebell training is all about mastering the technique before moving on to swinging or grabbing heavy kettlebells. It's really a phenomenal compound exercise, and it's essential to focus on good form and to use your hips to create movement. If you're just learning the swing, I suggest varying the movement by easing the weight of the kettlebell until you're comfortable with the action. If you have shoulder or lower back pain or injuries, you may not be the best person for kettlebell swings, and you should check with your doctor or physical therapist before trying these motions. Number 5. Deadlift. A deadlift is a compound exercise where you lift a weight off the floor by bending your hips and returning to your feet. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced lifter, there are many different options to choose from. Some variations are the kettlebell deadlift, Romanian deadlift, regular deadlift, stiff-legged deadlift, sumo, and hex bar deadlift. Lifting is a great exercise because it helps strengthen your core, back, shoulders, and arms, as well as your glutes, hamstrings, quads, and calves, says NASM certified personal trainer John Gardner. He explained that lifting is a crucial exercise that stimulates both the upper and lower body and engages multiple muscles at the same time. You'll burn more calories and make it a very time-efficient exercise, adds Gardner. Deadlifts will also change your posture as they target your back muscles and shoulders. If you plan to deadlift, have a personal trainer or an experienced lifter observe your form. A common mistake people make when deadlifting is to squat and overbend the knees, instead of swinging at the hips. Arching or bending your back instead of your upper body and core muscles is another mistake. This can cause lower back injuries as it puts pressure on the back. You should also be careful not to overextend your neck and head and keep it in a straight line. If you have chronic back problems or spinal cord injuries or are pregnant, it is best to consult your doctor or personal trainer before performing this exercise. Number 4. Push-ups. Push-ups are good for strengthening the upper body and training the chest, triceps, back, and shoulders. Although it is a well-known exercise, it is also one that is often performed incorrectly, even by experienced practitioners. The beauty of push-ups is that they can be easily modified to suit your skill level, says Dr. Brittany Noel Robles, certified personal trainer and gynecologist. Some modifications include pushing against a wall or raising your arms up to make it harder. Once you've mastered the movement from these angles, you can take it to the floor and practice changing the pace or position of your arms. Everyone should incorporate push-ups into their training because they're a functional exercise that translates into real-world situations, says Robles. Specifically, push-ups train the functional movement pattern of horizontal pushing, or the ability to push objects away from you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Now, let's dive right into the number 3 on our list. Number 3. Pallof press. The pallof press is an anti-rotational exercise that limits the rotation of the spine. It's considered strength training and can easily be done with cable machines or resistance bands. Your transverse abdominis, or inner belt, helps protect your lower back as well as your midsection muscles, says James Shapiro, an athletic performance coach in Los Angeles. By activating it more and getting stronger, you will be able to increase your strength in compound movements and improve the activation of your rectus abdominis, your six-pack. There are some variations that allow you to effectively work on your core. To perform this movement, use resistance bands attached to a power rack, or sturdy base, or a cable machine with attached handles, depending on whether you're standing or kneeling. This action can be done gradually, standing, kneeling, or kneeling high on the ground. If you have lower back problems, you can do the pallet press seated or lying on your back on the floor. Shapiro advises beginners to start with very light weights and hold the position while breathing. Number 2. Inverted row. The inverted row is a movement that both beginners and advanced exercisers can perform to strengthen the upper back. It also enhances scapular retraction, which can help prepare you for the pull-up if your goal is to master the pull-up. Usually, an inverted row can be done with a TRX band or with a barbell on a rack above you in an inclined horizontal position. Your arms should be fully extended above you while keeping your body floating above the floor. To make hand rows more difficult, you can lower the bar, step forward, raise your feet on the box, or increase the weight, says Chris Matsui, a certified strength and conditioning specialist, and USA weightlifting coach. If you require a modification, he suggests walking backward, lifting a barbell, or bending your knees. Number 1. Split squats. The split squat is a single leg exercise that forces you to utilize your core for balance. It targets your glutes, quads, and hamstrings. There are also multiple ways to make them easier or harder, depending on your fitness level. It's not a technical movement, so it's easier to do without worrying about compensation models, says Matsui. Split squats can be done with dumbbells, barbells, kettlebells, or with your own body weight. To make the motion more difficult, you can put your back foot on an elevated surface for a Bulgarian squat, another variation of the split squat, or modify it so that you place your back foot on the ground and use your body weight. Do not hesitate to share your ideas and experiences with us. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it. And please share our videos with your friends to support our team. Thank you, guys, for tuning in. Looking for more amazing videos? Check out the videos popping up on the right and the left of your screen. Hope you have a wonderful day.